Hello guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel.
And
We're not in the middle. There. Is that
okay,
better? Yeah, that's better. Okay, where did we go today, Joaquin?
now we're gonna do is
We're
we're gonna review the news Botbots.
This is actually not new. This is from Wave 2.
Yeah,
Uh,
welcome back. And now we're gonna do wave number 2.
Wave 2 of the Botbots.
And
okay.
today,
We also have one blind bag from Wave 3. How do we know that it's Wave 3? Because it's color orange. And the Wave 2 is color
green, and
the Wave 1 is color red.
and the red is here.
Yeah, that's the Wave 1. Let's put it back.
The wave ones are the
Okay, did it fall? Something fell.
yeah. Sorry.
Sorry. Okay.
I'm sorry. I just fell. Number 1 fell. Well,
Okay, so now we're gonna open 2 packs. 2 of the 5 pack from Wave 2.
and now
And 1 blind bag from Wave 3.
let's do first number
The
2.
Wave 2. Let's read it. What is this? It says here, it's Series 2. And the group is the Shedheads.
Shedheads.
Here, see? It's written here.
Shedheads.
Don't push. Aye. So, this toy has 5 Botbots inside.
But one is
One is a mystery. Which one do we open first, Joaquin?
let's see the mystery.
Alright, you open the mystery. You need help? Excuse me. There's a tape in it.
So that's why.
That's why you can remove it. Also, it's so that kids in the store won't open it and get it. Because I saw a lot of the first wave have their mystery Botbots already missing. Oh, what is this? It's a guitar!
And then we have the mystery box is
It's a guitar.
and did we note this name?
Let's see. Let's open it because I think there's a pack here that says what their name is. So I'm opening this. I'm destroying this. Here. I think their names are all here. Don't move too much. Okay. Okay. Rock Swagger. That's his name.
So who's Wax Swagger?
That one. This one. His name is Rock Swagger. And he's an electric guitar. And the pack also has... What's his name?
Drillit Yaself.
Drillit Yaself. Which is a drill. This one.
Driller.
And what's next?
Spots of Rock.
Spots the Rock, which is a rock plant. What's next? Lollimints.
Means the
It's a lollipop. This one. And last but not least is, who's this one? Holey Moldy.
Holy Moldy cheese.
Yes, he's a cheese with molds. See.
And it's look like the milk.
Yes, like the milk. Okay, so that's the first pack that we open
And it's the second wave.
from the second wave of Botbots.
And
You see it now?
it
They
transforms.
can't see it. Anyway,
This is a lollipop. It's already transformed. Let's transform into these. The
But
head.
can't we open first this one?
Okay, let's do this first, and also one more thing.
This one first. You open it. Can you? Just destroy it.
Help.
Yeah, they tape this good. What is this? Oh, it's a watch. See? It's a wristwatch.
And the name is.
Let's open it first.
So we have a watch.
It's a wristwatch.
Oh my, he's pretty angry.
Is he angry?
Yeah, really angry.
What's his name? Oh, here.
Can I?
Okay.
Can I get it? This is nice. Okay,
What's his? It's balik. No.
Old Tic Toc.
Okay. And this set includes.
A pack.
What's their names?
With
Grrrilla Grimes. This one. What is this? I think it's a detergent.
and tool bag, which is the tool bag.
And then you have this one.
I don't know what's the name.
This one. Touchdown. Toughdown.
Toughdown.
It's another football.
A Toughdown. And we got Hawt Mess.
Oh, this one is a taco, and he's part of the fast food, the greaser gang.
So there we have. This is now gonna be the first wave. Are you
And
sure?
second wave. It's still the second wave.
Oh. She's a second wave, but
He's also a member of the greaser gang. And the last one that we're gonna open
is the mystery box of
from the third wave, Series 3, from Series 3 of Botbots. Can you open it? Just transform. Okay, I'll open it.
just only for the tape. Put the tape on it.
Now you just destroy it.
Don't destroy the. Can I? Hiya!
Be careful, you might have.
What we got there is.
What's his name? His name is Kurobo 6000, and he's from the Playroom Posse.
Posse.
Yes, Playroom Posse.
Okay, we got the season 3 and the new member of this is
Kurobo 6000.
no. The member of the team of this.
Playroom Posse. That's his group.
Can you show them?
Okay, let's show them. Here. That's his group. I was looking for this one, the rubber ducky, but most of the toy stores don't have it anymore.
Yeah, but we finally got one of these.
This one is the only one they have, Kurobo 6000. It's 8 toy box of stuff.
Now we got all those things. Now we got.
Are we gonna transform it?
Yeah. Look at this. It's still there. Okay, let's transform it too. So all we do is do the arms. How I get the legs?
Wait. So that they can see. Can you see?
I
Yeah.
think yes.
I think we need the bigger table.
Yeah. This is There. Now they're shown. Can you help me with this? I will do the moldy cheese.
Which one are you doing? This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you pop one and there, 2 arms.
Oh, Tic Toc. He's now an angry robot.
Now he has arms.
Stand.
He got the legs. See the legs, and let's see the face. Ta-da!
Oh, that's too close. Hi. Let's do this Hawt
Taco.
Mess. See, hold this one. I'll do it.
Hey, did you know Hawt Mess is like the name of the nachos?
Yes.
But is that the different spelling of the
There we go.
it's like the one with the
Okay.
never mind.
And what do you do? Let's just split it. Let's just split it. Oh, I like this. He looks like a Mexican.
Can I see?
With a sombrero.
That look like a sombrero.
Sombrero.
Sombrero because it's
Sombrero.
taco.
Yes. And then this one is a drill.
And
I look, this face is so cute.
can I see it again? How you make the
And then
so cute? And did you know this guitar is also in the in music, but it's in the second wave.
it looks like Satar. There's a drill for a head.
And a drill for a
How
bed.
about this one? I like this one. Push the head up. It's a little rock turtle. And school bag. It's like the school bag that we had before.
But the school,
That one.
but it's named tool bag.
Yes, it's two bag.
Hey, look! Ta-da!
And last is this one.
The gorilla.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, I also
See.
got that.
there's very big arms and a small head and a small body. Alright, that's our video for today.
Yeah, that's the shortest one. Right?
Bye bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.